Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155. Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ka All India Trinamool Congress la nega TMC kala Pynbna sanpho Ngut ki Kyrtong na ki sanpho arteli ki constituency bat na peneng ki sanpho Ngut ki Kyrtong prangot ki deki MLA bat nyongot pat ki deki MDC ki prateli ki constituency ki ba ka TMC kampat shemla Pynbna Kyrtong ki kenthop ya kanartiang ka mukuyaw ka sutanga saipung ka nongpo ka molai ka East Shillong ka Mairang bat ka Mautharashan.
I start with 2 July, Mr. A. Andrew Shulai, who is the MDC. From 4 Mukayao, we have Mr. Lasting Suchiang. From 6 Clariat, Mr. Sunida Bare. From 7 Amlarem, Mr. Alban K. Gashna. From 8 Mauhati, Dr. Saralin Norpang, Mrs. From 10 Jirang, Sri Sanmun D. Marak. From 11 Umsning, Sri Gilbert Nongrum. From 12 Imroy, Sri George B. Lingdo. From 13 Morankaneng, Sri Banshan Lang Lawai. From 14 Pinthormukra, Sri Sambor Lang Dingdo. From 17 North Shillong, Ms. Eljiva Gwenet Ninja. From 18 West Shillong, Sri Ivan Maria. From South Shillong, 19 South Shillong, Ian A. Lingdo Nongkari. From 20 Millam, Sri Gilbert Guiding Star Lalu. From 21 Nongthamai, Sri Charles Springrove. From 22 Nongkrem, Sri Jonas Jefferson Tyler Lamprang Lamare. From 23 Soyong, Studying Star Thaba. From 24 Mauplang, Sri Maukordor Rinja. From 25 Mausanram, Sri Vincent T. Sangma. From 26 Shala, Sri Plenus Kyotam. From 27 Punosla, Sri Edmund Kongai. From 28 Sora, Sri Harold Firming Kongsit. From 29 Mokunro, Sri Dondor Marbanyang. From 32 Nongstoin, Sri Macmillan Kharbani. From 33 Rambrai Jirgam, Sri Fernandez S. Takhat. From 34 Motion Road, Sri Justin G. Momin. From 35 Ranikor, Sri Savio Prangsni Dakhar. From 36 Mokurat, Sri Sounder S. Kaji. From 37 Kharkuta, Sri Cherak Watre Momin. From 38 Mendipathar, Sri Pardinen D. Shira. From 39 Resubel Para, Sri Ronaldo K. Sangma. From 40 Bajengdoba, Sri Tengrak R. Marak. From 41 Samsak, Dr. Mugul M. Sangma. From 42 Rongjeng, Sri Sengnam M. Marak. From 43 William Nagar, Sri Alphonsus R. Marak. From 44 Raksam Grey, Dr. Prabir D. Sangma. From 45 Tikrikala, Dr. Mukul M. Sangma. From 46 Fulbari, Sri S. G. Esmatur Mominin. From 47 Rajabala, Dr. Muhammad Mizanur Rahman Kazi. From 48 Selsala, Sri Agassi R. Marak. From 49 Shri Rupert M. Sangma. From 51 South Tura, Shri Richard Murong Marak. From 52 Rangsakona, Shri Zenith M. Sangma. From 53 Ampati, Srimati Miani Dalbot Shira. From 54 Mahendraganj, Srimati Dikanchi Dalbot Shira. From 55 Salman Para, Shri Vinison D. Sangma. From 56 Gambegri, Srimati Sadyarani M. Sangma. From 57 Dalu, Shri Senkal A. Sangma. From 58 Rongra Siju, Dr. Rajesh M. Marak. From 59 Chokpot, Shri Lazarus M. Sangma. And from 60 Bagmara, Dr. Saljan Ringrang R. Marak. These are the initial names of the 52 candidates from the 52 constituencies. Thank you. 5 women candidates. 15 MLAs and MDCs out of the 52.
So the party will be fielding in all the 60 seats, I mean the remaining seats?
Yes, that's right, all 60 seats.